Shampoo presents the inside story of the Wolf and Little Red Riding Hood.
Hi, Red Riding Hood. Where are you going?
That's a pretty silly question from a wolf. Why, I'm going to Grandma's for a shampoo. And don't try any funny business.
Shampoo, hey? Just a minute. What do you use for shampoo?
This stuff. Why?
It's no wonder your hair looks like a bale of hay. Don't you know soaping dulls hair? Halo glorifies it.
You're sure this isn't just one of your tricks?
No, I've turned honest. Come on, let's go to your grandma's house. I'll give you the best shampoo you ever had.
Halo, everybody, halo. Halo Shampoo, halo.
Remember soaping dulls hair. Halo glorifies it. Leaves it fragrant, dandruff-free, and wonderfully easy to manage.
So halo, everybody, halo. Halo Shampoo, halo.
Hi there. I'm Jane Meadow. That little story shows that any kind of a wolf appreciates glorified hair. And hair that's been washed with Halo Shampoo is really glorified. So shiny, so easy to manage. So why not glorify your hair with Halo? It's America's favorite shampoo.